On the road, on the job, in the field, your engine needs premium diesel fuel that works as hard as you do, all year round. Cenex has been delivering the hardest working fuels to people in the most demanding industries for more than 60 years. Our premium diesel fuels deliver the power and performance you need to get the job done better than any formula that's come before. Our premium diesel fuels are precisely formulated with a terminally injected additive package to increase power and fuel efficiency, protect your engine, and reduce downtime. Cenex premium diesel fuels are 40% more effective at breaking down harmful deposits and 25% more effective at reducing exhaust cylinder temperature fluctuations for a more complete burn and less regens. Significantly better fuel stability and filterability prevent damage to fuel injectors and excess fuel consumption. That means up to 4.5% more power when you need it and up to 5% better fuel economy when every dollar counts. And Cenex's total water management system ensures that water drains away from fuel storage tanks efficiently and passes through your engine's combustion chamber safely. Cenex premium diesel fuels keep engines running cleaner, stronger, and longer, even in the toughest conditions. Fuel your construction equipment, your fleet, your farm with Cenex premium diesel. Available when and where you need it and formulated with precision to keep your operation running smoothly. Cenex Roadmaster XL, Cenex Ruby Fieldmaster. Better fuels for better performance, period. Cenex, fueled by innovation, powered to perform.